In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your fender mounted trim on your Nissan Rogue, located right here on the top of the fender. We're going to start by running some tape, just some basic painter's tape or something like that, around the component itself. We want to protect the paint on the vehicle. Next, we're going to use a trim tool here. I'm going to go around to the backside with the door open and just gently tug outward, dislodging the plastic retainer clips holding it in place. Now we have the two ports right here to accept our plastic retainer clips. I'm going to go ahead and line this up. Using your palm, gently press in. Everything looks fully seated around the perimeter. Go ahead and remove your tape. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.